Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A12 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage, so battery info on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on notifications. Here we have to enter the status bar, simply tap on it, and at the very bottom of the list we've got to show battery percentage option. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see it immediately changes. So from now on, next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Obviously you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on this switcher, and as you can see right now we've got only the battery icon, but let me turn it on because it's quite useful. So well, actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Samsung Galaxy A12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.